Hello everyone, my name is Yash Patel. I would like to share my journey with TOPS technology. After completing my study in 2021, I started working as a core PHP developer. However, due to limited growth opportunity, I decided to explore front-end development. So I researched online and asked friends for guidance. And many recommended to learn React.js. One of my friend suggested TOPS technology. So I visited their center. At center, the counselor provided a clear and detailed briefing which convinced me to enroll. The faculty at TOPS technology are highly qualified, supportive and always ready to help. Their guidance made learning smooth and effective. Now, I am working as a full-stack developer at Cleuz. So, I truly appreciate TOPS technology for playing key role in my career growth. Thank you, TOPS technology.